On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Help another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
What's going on, guys? Woo-wee. Oh-wee. I don't think I could do it like a southerner. Hoo-wee. Let's go. Man, I had a great day today. How is everybody doing? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the other gang. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Smashing those like buttons, hanging out in the chat. Let's shout out the chat. But first, we got to study. We got to make sure that we're studying. We have a baby on the way in September, guys. All right. The one today. Let's go. Number 2. How did the camping trip go? How did the camping trip go? It was intense. Intense. Tense, you know? Oh, man. Oh, what's going on, gang? Hope you're all doing well. My God. Do we just get nuttier and nuttier as we stream more? I think that's the one. What's going on, guys? Hope you're all doing well. Now, do you hold AI crypto? Why should I? Nah. Maybe. So 50% of you hold the AI crypto. Now, I'm currently laddering into a BitTensor trade. Okay, I'm in the midst of this BitTensor trade. It may not even let me ladder. It's starting to rip. $437 right now. Bitcoin, sheesh, today. My God. What a bunch of BS today was on Bitcoin. If you ask me, I smell, you know how you can smell through the, smell it in the air? Do, 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 do. But my God, like what the? I didn't trade Bitcoin today, guys. I took a scalp. Made like $150 quickly. But my God, what a stupid day. What a stupid day. Let's shout out the chat. What's going on? All you guys coming in early. Jorn Besser saying, Otter gang, the man, the myth, the Arnold Schwarzenegger. Zep, what's going on? What's up, Otter gang? THC to the BTC. Seymour Liddy, what's going on? How's that XRP treating you, my friend? Seymour Liddy smashing all the emojis. My man. Luke Bailey, what's going on? Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. We got Roki Nose. What's going on? Hope you're having a wonderful day. And TRD Farmer actually made it to the stream today. My man. Hope you're doing well, man. Hope you're doing well. No more driving and trading. Good to see you, man. Good to see you, man. Sorry about the internet. I have restarted the thing. I have talked to the professionals, you know. Direct line Ethernet cable, upload speed, smashing it. Okay, so there's no reason that it shouldn't be fast. We'll even do the speed test on the stream, okay? We'll even do the speed test. I can shut up. Ta-da! Okay? Okay? Should be fast enough. Right? I feel like I look short. Do I gotta raise me up? Okay, there. I am short, but like on the screen. What's going on, guys? Good to see you all here. Who else do we got in the chat? I see a whole bunch of absolute superstar, utterly degenerate, beautiful people over here. Maybe I got to move myself out of the way so I can see you better. Now, I am not looking down on you, okay? We got Blackie Chan in here. What's going on? What's going on, man? Crypto Rambo, what's going on? Alexandra G, what's going on? Amy Lives Crypto, what's going on? Hope you're doing well. Rooster, Seymour Liddy, RS Miller, man. Russell, is your name Russell? I don't know. I think I remembered it to be Russell. Pencil Ninja. Watch out, man. This guy, if he's a ninja with a pencil, imagine what else he's good at. Pretty awesome. DL says intense. Yeah. It was intense. Nick Musgrave, my brother. Darren does things. Good to see you guys all here supporting the channel. I appreciate your time and your patience with me. You know, we're all working together here. We got Darko. We got L Jones. BTC pumping tomorrow. We'll have to wait and find out, right? We'll do the top-down analysis. Hopefully you're getting, guys, as much alpha as possible. Spamming all those otters in the chat, man. I appreciate you guys. We have an amazing community here, and I don't know. I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for you guys here. If you are new here and you do want to hang out with the absolute, utterly degenerate, beautiful people here, come and join us. We had signals all day today, looking for the long on mine, looking for the long on Brewberry, looking for the long on Kyle, and I believe Lunar Beaches Crypto took the short or the long today and made some money. Very, very beautiful. We were all kind of posturing to the upside. You know what I mean? We were all just like, to the moon, to the moon, to the wall, to the from my balls, ski, motherfucker. So we do like to have fun. Okay? And we are here to make money. We're here to make money. Bitcoin should have bought under what? So I've averaged bought under 30K, 25, 24-ish area. That sideways capitulation. To the window, to the wall. maybe I shouldn't have an afternoon coffee, but it doesn't do that to me. I can drink coffee at 10 at night and sleep like a baby, okay? I do not have sleeping problems. I am one of those people who you hate because he can sleep on a rock at any given time. That is one of my skills. I think it's maybe a Pisces skill. Maybe it's just how I am. You know, I do think, okay, when I was younger, right, like I think around 9 years old, I stopped growing, okay? So I'm 5'4", and what I would do is I would purposely chug milk and sleep in to try and grow, okay? I would purposely chug milk and sleep in. Like, I would sleep in till like 2 p.m., okay? Like, I played lots of sports, so I wanted to be big and strong. You know what I mean? As a kid, and I still play a lot of sports. However, I never grew, and maybe that's how I developed my professional sleeping skills. But nonetheless, we're here. I still play sports. I didn't become, a baseball superstar or any of those things. I am now just a friendly neighborhood YouTuber trader, okay? Trader first, then YouTuber. Are any of your friends calling you from high school? I don't talk to anybody from high school, but, we all grow up. We all grow up. We all need to grow up. So Bitcoin, why was it shite today, okay? So this morning, trade signal given in advance coming down to this area, okay? So market opens here, right? Market opens right around here. We are in a downtrend. I'm looking for the long from right here. Funny enough, we got it like half an hour ago. Okay, funny enough, I'm looking for the swing failure pattern down below here, and then the move all the way up to here, around 71,700. That's what I was looking for this morning. Didn't get my swing failure pattern, right? The thing is why I didn't choose to enter here. I was very close, okay? I was very close. I decided not to because it's kind of against my rules. So if I'm going over the nitty-gritty here on the 1 minute, okay? I'm in the 1 minute. So this was the trade setup given in advance in the Discord. I was looking for the swing failure pattern here. And my God, was I being patient. Oh my God, I was being patient. And then boom, it took off. Boom, it rejected. Boom, it took off again. And then boom, it rejected again. How? How am I supposed to have the stones, the cojinas, the big, whatever you call them in your language? Maybe you just call them nuts. That's a nice word. Too long here. I didn't have them. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't have them. I didn't have the cojinas, okay? Maybe I was in a cold pool or something like that. Maybe I was just not ready, You know what I mean? I just didn't have the fearlessness of all you amazing otters, okay? So manipulation, I couldn't participate. The best thing is I was right about the long, okay? I was right about the long, okay? I didn't get my swing failure pattern continuation. I got fuckery and then continuation. But nonetheless, we came back up to our key level of resistance. And look at this, guys. Oh, perfectly to 70,700. Perfectly. And then, guys, I don't know, I know a lot of us, midway through the day, we were looking for the breakout, retest, continuation. I know Kyle took an L today as well. Okay? Kyle got stopped out here. So we didn't get this continuation and very aggressive dumpiness. Very, very aggressive dumpiness throughout. Coming down to the level that I was looking for at the beginning of the day and since has bounced, okay? And that's where we're kind of at right now. So today has been an absolute shit show, in my opinion, okay? In my opinion. So what can you do? What can you do? Well, you can move on. You can be like, okay, I didn't catch this beautiful long because this was BS. I didn't want to jump in and chase the price because that's BS. The retest continuation did not work. So no problemo there. If you did get long here, hopefully you had a nice stop loss. Got knocked out here. Aggressive downtrend. Now we're looking for some support to be held, and maybe we get this little mini inverse head and shoulders to the upside, okay? So you can't always win. But the thing is that you can manage your risk. You can manage your emotions, and you can have some rules that when you see shit like this, pardon my French, that you really don't want to be part of it. You want to take the smooth, nice trades, okay? You want to have multiple levels of confluence that are adding to your trades. Coming back to a key level of maybe support here, pulling a nice Fibonacci, right? Seeing the golden pocket, having your confluence there with a very good volume level, stop loss there, maybe targeting back up to the medium point of this fair value gap up here. You want to have a plan, man. A patient trader is a profitable trader. A trader with a plan is also a profitable trader. But the best skill that I have learned trading is discipline. I'm not going to participate in this BS, right? And even today, a little bit of manipulation, in my opinion, with a lot of news coming out, right? We got the ETH ETF, we got NVIDIA earnings, we got, what is it, FIT 21? It's like Forever 21's new bill for crypto being confirmed today. Right? So all these things coming out, and yet the market is doing what it always does. It's trying to wreck as many people as possible throughout the day and not trying to give you the entries that you so deserve. Samuel S. says, I just subscribed to Alex O Crypto. Thank you for supporting the channel. Welcome to the Otter Gang. Most of the value is in the Discord. Come and hang out in the Discord where we have trade setups. We have TA, analysis, all that good stuff. A great community full of kind, helpful people who are not just degenerate a-holes like most other Discords. That's where the value is. I just come on here, scream at a box, give you guys some TA, and hopefully together, me being a trader and you being a trader, we can work together to create an edge over this market and make some money together. And that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. None of this YouTuber first, trader second shit. Trader first, YouTube second. That's how we roll here. And today, guys, I did manage to finally, oh my God. So this has been an absolute headache. With BloFin, I've been finally able to get you guys the cashback deal that I had to pretty much pry it out of this guy's teeth for 20% cashback return for everybody who has signed up with BloFin, okay? So that is now active. You guys should be getting your 20% cashback. Finally. I'm sorry it took so long. Initially, they were like, no, we can't do it. You don't have enough people signed up. And I'm like, dude, you said you would do it. I told my community that you're going to do it. We're using your exchange. Would you please honor what you said you were going to do? And he went and talked to his people, yada, yada, yada. And we were eventually able to get back to him fulfilling the promise or whatever, right? So that is now active. BloFin, use the exchange. We fought for it. We fought for it. And I will go to battle for all you guys all the time. You know that. I will always go to battle for you guys. And I will never not be transparent and honest with you guys. And that's one thing I will always keep my word to you guys. I promise you that. I will let you know when I'm buying, what I'm buying, when I'm exiting, all that good shit. Okay? All that good shit. Because that's what I would have wanted when I started my crypto journey. I don't need you telling me to buy poo-poo coin at $4 and then let you rug me, okay? This is about creating a lifelong friendship maybe, but a partnership in helping one another grow. right? Where we can all make money together. It's not easy to navigate this stuff. I'm 2 years deep. I'm learning every day. And I will continue to show up for everybody in this room and in our community because you guys do the same thing. And that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. So Bitcoin, doing its thing. We're kind of pissed off at Bitcoin today for not only messing with our heads, but not giving us the trade setups we wanted. Seems to be rolling over right now. Now I am going to bring this to your attention. I am in a long on BitTensor right now. I have laddered in. I have an average entry at, where is my BitTensor trade here? I'm already up 22%. I've been averaging in. I let you know, like, I think half an hour ago that I was averaging in. I am now in here, averaging in. I'm about 50% averaged in. If we do come down a little bit lower, I would like to get in around 407 if we do come back to retest here, okay? But I am in. This is a NVIDIA earnings play, okay? This is just, I think BitTensor is very oversold. I do believe it's going to go up. I believe it's inevitable. It had this massive run up. It has gotten suppressed down. Now, when we look at other AI tokens, they have bottomed out, right? Like this. And they have gotten back up to about this level here, okay? So they have all gotten back up to about this level here. And I can go over that and show you guys this. But they're back up trading within these highs in here. BitTensor is not. Therefore, I am trying to take advantage of where I think BitTensor's price should be and with the NVIDIA price earnings coming into play. This is something I don't do regularly. I normally trade Bitcoin. I normally look for my 1 to 2% moves. This is a swing trade. Alex O'Crypto's doing a friggin' swing trade. Who would have thought? But I'm looking to take advantage of the price action, okay? So I am in this trade right now. You look at Render. Like I said, look at Render here. Render has bottomed and pumped up. It's up here, trading alongside here, right? We look at BitTensor. It is bottomed, but it's not trading up within here. We look at a Cash. It has bottomed, and it is now trading up in here, right? We look at AGIX. It has bottomed. This could be another opportunity. It's in like this breakout mode right now where you can look for the retest and continuation here. It is not trading up here yet, okay? We look at Fetch AI. It has bottomed. It is starting to break out as we speak. Another play, okay? It is not trading all the way up here, okay? So this is my play right now. I thought that BitTensor is the most undervalued to have this play coming back up. And, you know, my target is literally $570. Anything extra after that, I will be taking most of my profits out at $570 if we get there, okay? And that's the play that I am currently in right now. We'll see if it works out. But I'm just trying to be transparent with what I'm doing in the future right now, okay? And that's what I'm looking for. We'll see. We'll see. Will it work out? I don't know. I don't know. I have low leverage. I have low leverage and a very small amount of margin in here, right? We'll see how it works out. It's not financial advice. It never will be. Do your own research, play your own game, right? Just hopefully we can learn and grow together and kind of like call each other on our bullshit and try to be prosperous together, right? Free mind, free soul, free spirit, freedom, right? I may get yelling at you guys, but it's only because I all want us to work together to be better. That's how we roll here. Okay, so what are we doing? We're putting in some volume up top, man. That's seriously what I see right now is that you can see that we have almost like a head and shoulders on our fixed range volume profile here, right? Where we have the three spikes, right? The three sisters, where we are looking to hold above the value area high on the range and continue to push up on this aggressive uptrend, okay? So we're coming back to the lower part of this upwards trend line. Can we look for a continuation here? Absolutely, we can, right? So that's what I'm looking for us to come back down to this upwards trend line and hopefully bounce, right? Hopefully bounce. We'll have to wait and see. We definitely have the ETH ETFs looking like they want to come in. Okay, I saw something about Larry Fink, BlackRock ETH ETF. I saw something about BlackRock's ETH ETF the other day. He has now filed, or where is he at with this? 2 months of Ethereum ETF inflows will bring ETH to 5-digit price. So a lot of people are saying, there's a lot of stuff going on about, BlackRock ETH ETFs coming out, what they will do, all this crazy stuff, right? So we want to try and catch this, but we don't want to try to front run it too much, right? So officially files for spot. So they officially filed, right? There they go. Okay, so they're participating, right? They're participating. We love the war between Biden and Trump to try and get the crypto vote. It's going to be a good battle. Oh, look who dropped by with the nice, you can tell who's Canadian just by their comments in the chat. But guys, I think they already all are. But if you aren't, the homies in the chat, man. Our homies in the chat, he's growing like wildflower. He's going to be more, I think he has more subscribers than me already. 2,800 subscribers. Congratulations, Kyle at InvestorShare, part of our Discord, giving you guys all trade setups all the time, man. Look at this guy. I'm so proud of you, bro. Looking beautiful all the time. Maybe it's all that AI beautiful pictures you make. Shout out to you, Kyle, in the chat. My man. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. The stupid trade today, man. A lot of manipulation. Haven't you noticed that today? With the scam wicks and all the funky business going on with the price action today, I did not like it whatsoever. But hey ho, we move on. That's why we use a stop loss. That's why we manage risk. And we go on to the next trade. Don't get into tilt. Don't get upset. Just move on and crush it. Okay? We got 90 people in here and only 40 likes. I don't know what's going on, guys. I think you guys thumbs are sore or something. You can hit back, like the video, then you can go back in the chat, all those things, or you can just sit there and lurk. I like lurkers too. I used to be a lurker, eh? I used to never comment. Put a 1 in the chat if you're a lurker and it's going to be your first time chatting. That would be hilarious. Welcome to all the lurkers. I appreciate you lurkers just as much as I appreciate the people who comment. Cola, yes. I love the lurkers, man. Let's go, Jay Becker. Man, I haven't seen Colette. I like it, man. You guys are beautiful people, man. Thank you for supporting my crazy ass, and hopefully we can continue to make us all money and make us all profits. Okay, Nick Musgrave said alts. Let's go. So guys, let's see your altcoins down below. Centel Logic, thank you for being here, man. Walsh Jesse, get out of here. Danny, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Jay Becker, Luiso Flores. Oh man, thank you guys for being here, man. Muhammad Safer, what's going on? Julian Arias, Realtor, what's going on? Good to see you guys. Mark Dutch is in the chat. We got Dave Digital here. He's always been a lurker and a worker, and he's a sweater now. All of a sudden, Dave Digital is a sweater. Not like the one you wear. Not like the sweater you wear. Like he likes to sweat all of a sudden. He just be the Energizer Bunny. He be working. My man, Dave Digital, go and follow Dave Digital. He wants some motivation, man. There's the motivation. Get to it, man. He doesn't take pictures unless he's sweating. You know I appreciate you, bro. Mad support, mad love to you, Dave Digital. My brother. We gave Dave his first wrench, by the way. We were the ones to bless Dave with the wrench. First wrench, man. I'll always be proud of that. You got a wrench everywhere now. So what are we looking at? Weekly candle pushing up, a little bit of an exhaustion wick here, pushing down from 72,400. Okay, getting rejected, coming back down. Still looking hella bullish in my opinion. Okay, the weekly green dot is now starting to print, my friends. We are ready to lift off. Okay, we are ready to lift off. If this ETF gets approved, we're going. So what I noticed about the long-term time frames, besides the weekly, but the 3-day, the 2-day, the daily, we are starting to cool down on our VWAP, which suggests consolidation before heading onwards and upwards. Okay, it's not like it's going to take forever, but it's going to be a little bit of time. Okay, a little bit of time, meaning a couple days, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Okay, maybe next week early on. But our next candle print will be Friday and then Monday. So Monday next week, I'm excited. And guess what? Next week I am going on holiday. And I know you guys are going to miss me. Come on. Next week I'm going on holiday. I haven't taken a holiday, and I got my wedding in August, and then I got my baby in September, okay? Our wedding and our baby, okay? So we are going away for a week. We'll be back. I will sneak on the Discord, okay? But I will be coming. It's my baby moon / honeymoon, okay? So I'm going to enjoy a week of peace and come back fresh and ready to crush it as normal, okay? So I'm just letting you guys know ahead of time. And I am pre-recording videos for Monday to Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for all of you guys who need your Alex O crypto fix. And maybe I'll throw a little party on like a Wednesday or so. I'll put in some Easter eggs. You know those little hidden things in video games? I'll put some Easter eggs in. And also this Friday, because I'm going on holiday next week, I'm doing a giveaway on Friday. Maybe we give away $50, maybe $100, maybe $200. Who knows? We'll see what Mrs. Otter allows. And we'll see how good the trading is today. Or this week. We're doing pretty good. P&L is on fire this week, so we'll see. Maybe we give away all the profits on this BitTensor trade. Who knows? Maybe I'll have to hold this even longer. We'll have to wait and find out. So, where are we at now? Let's go down to the 2-day quickly. 2-day quickly, suggesting. Oh, don't internet on me now. Don't you dare do it. Inverse head and shoulders. Pushing up. Now, it's the cooling off, right? The cooling off of the VWAP, right? Cooling off of the VWAP on the daily. Daily coming back to the zero line. Money flow is still coming up. Momentum is still coming up. We are anticipating a red dot on the daily. We haven't got a red dot yet. We've gotten the green dot. So we're anticipating the red dot. Maybe we get a push and then a sell-off. Maybe we get a red dot up here. But right now, beautiful, beautiful upwards candles flagging out. Upwards candle flagging out. What do we expect? Upwards candle, right? So for me, the daily is starting to curve over. Negative posturing here on the stochastics, coming down to the zero line on the VWAP. Okay, this is cautionary, right? So be very, very patient, okay? With what's transpiring. We want to get into a long, but we can't be greedy, right? We got to watch that greed on the way up and on the way down, okay? Did we get the altcoin list? I'm scrolling here. Did we get the altcoin list? Have you guys given all the altcoins? I know my man Nick Musgrave is tallying up all those altcoins for you guys. There it is. Thank you so much, Nick Musgrave. I see some pretty interesting things on this list, so we're going to have to take a look. Alexo Crypto, can we get a compilation video of you and Amy casually farting on each other? Well, we do fart on each other sometimes, but I don't think we have those type of videos. And I don't know how we would capture that sound without melting the camera and microphone. Oh man, too good. However, I do have a no knows video that I'm going to put out immediately after today. So no knows is my grandfather, as you guys know. I'm going to put it out immediately after. So my grandfather, my no really wants to drive his truck. Okay? He really wants to drive his truck, like really badly. Okay? And let's face it, he's very immobile, and he probably shouldn't be driving. So I've taken his keys away from him. However, what I've done, now I want my grandkids to do this for me. So I've taken No to the back of the Walmart parking lot, all the way to the back, and I let him drive around. Every Wednesday, him and I are going to go driving in the Walmart parking lot now for fun. I'm telling you, I nearly shit my pants today. He doesn't care, right? He's just like, and he's ripping around, and I'm like, whoa, slow down, please. But you know, I'm taking him driving every day, every Wednesday now. So I got videos. I'll share the video today. I'll share the video today after the live stream, man. But it's lots of fun, man. It's lots of fun. He pinned it. He's like, it's a V8 F-150, right? So like he's just like going. He can't even throw it in park, and then he's like, okay, where's the brake? And he's trying to play with me. He knows where the brake is, and then all of a sudden he's just like slams it, and he's just like. It's a 2003 V8 Triton. Yeah, it's a big boy. It's his old work truck, right? And like he just starts ripping it. And I'm like, whoa. And he slowed down, but he scared me today. But good fun. And I think, you know, spending time with him and letting him have, you know, his glory in his old truck, you know, it's special for him. So that's what we're doing. So let's jump into the shorter term time frames here. Jumping into the 12-hour, we can see the 3 black crows here have printed. This is typically a bearish pattern. However, we have come back down. Not hammer candled yesterday. We got kind of a negative close on the 12-hour yesterday. However, we are very much indecision right now. Hopefully, we can get a little bit of a pushback up to about 70,200, and that would give us a nice candle close at the end of the 4 hours. Okay, so let's hopefully get a little bit of a push. We'll have to wait and find out. Okay, looking at market cipher, we can simply see we have a confirmed red dot pushing down, but you can see VWAP is starting to flatten downwards. We want to see this push back up with money coming back in steadily. Okay, right now it's very choppy money, as you can see down below here, flipping between, right? So we want to see this come in more steady to have continuation with a pump. Okay, going into our 8-hour. Our 8-hour, same kind of deal here. Confirmed flattening out VWAP. Okay. 4-hour, looking a little bit better in my opinion. So this is what really got me bullish this morning, is that we were starting to come up on our VWAP. So we can see here that we're having this push up to our 0 line on our VWAP with green money flow. Yes, money is coming out a little bit, but it's still very, very thick. And we're also getting a nice ramping with our momentum waves. So for me, this is our first sign to try to long. Now we're looking at the 3-hour, the 2 hour, and look at the 3 hour, how heavily we got rejected. Okay, big rejection. I was looking for that breakthrough. We didn't get it. Okay, green dot, red dot. Okay, so continuation downwards. Looking at the 1 hour, we got the pig nipples continuing to make higher highs here. Okay, so that's one thing to note. Where we have really just been flat here, right? So if I go right on the candles here, we can see that this is pretty flat, considering. So we've dipped down, we've swung failure pattern, and now we have bounced up a little bit to about 69,715, and that's looking okay. So we're getting a little bit of a pushback. So I guess my trade setup from this morning that I went over was the one to take here rather than over here, which we didn't get, right? So looks like we're pushing back now, a very aggressive sell-off. We're going to come back within this range. You can pull your fixed range volume profile tool across here. Take a look, coming up to the point of control. Maybe we get a rejection from there, maybe not. Probably near VWAP. Yep. So right now we're in a range, right? So you want to buy the lows, sell the highs. However, right now a little bit of patience I think will pay. Waiting for all this kind of news stuff to confirm. Okay, we want to see good NVIDIA earnings. Okay, we want to see ETH ETFs start to get hella bullish, and we also want to see this bill being passed. Okay, does anybody know the name of that bill? I think it's like FIT 21. I haven't seen it as of yet, but I know that's what people are really looking at right now. Does anybody know? And then we're going to jump into our beautiful, beautiful, beautiful altcoins. There is my beautiful Otter driving, but I'm listening to this alpha. Let's go. What's going on, TradeFly? I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. It's been a doozy today. I mean, up and down all around. Lots of scammy wick price action where, you know, for me, I've just stayed out of trouble, out of the way, and I have started to ladder into this BitTensor trade. So hopefully this continues to rip, and we can look for, we up, baby. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We up 62% right now. We up 62%. We started this stream, and we winning. How we all doing with the BitTensor trade? Whoo-wee. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, man, this is looking good. We'll see if it continues. Much love to the Otter Gang. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. We're going to get into your altcoins and continue to work together to make lots of moolah, okay? Because we all want lots of moolah. Let's face it, we're here to make money. Why not do it with a good group of people?
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo.
All right, we got Pepe.
Fit the party
Okay.
like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo. Crypto.
It's a Pepe.
Crypto. Alexo. Crypto. Alexo. Crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game. So participation ain't a hard knowledge.
Ethereum.
I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me.
What else
but
do we
it's
got?
TRP.
ICP.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low.
Caspa taking off, guys. Whew, that Caspa trade.
Chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
The boat painter says near. I also see KSM. Okay, so I could possibly do these at the end. We have the list, and I'm going to go through the list, but I'll add near and KSM if you're still here. Thank you guys for being here. What's going on, Melissa? Good to see you. Motivational Duck. Is it safe to take a long on Bitcoin right now? We were looking for the long down below here. However, in my opinion, it's a good day to stay out of the market. We got our swing failure pattern down to where we were looking for our long, very aggressive moves down. Right now, no trade in my opinion. You do have a nice hidden bullish divergence here on the 12-minute, right, where you can see you are making a higher high. This could push onwards and upwards. But for me right now, the trade isn't trying to grab a swing failure pattern. I would like to see stronger market structure, the breakout, retest, and continuation up top here. We'll see if we get that. But right now, I just suggest being patient and let's let trades settle a bit going into the rest of the evening. That's kind of where I'm at with Bitcoin. But that doesn't mean we can't take advantage of other price action. Now, going over to Pepe, we know that it has absolutely shredded faces. Okay, so in price discovery, right? I've gone over price discovery with you guys quite a few times, but let's do it right now as we speak. So looking at the price discovery here, we're trying to pull areas of where we think price is going to go to. Now you can see we're in a nice uptrend here, and let's see if we can find some confluences within this trend. So I'm going to take my trend-based fib. I'm going to pull it from swing low to swing high to swing low. Let's see if we have any touches. Look at that. Perfect touch at the 272 here. Almost a perfect touch at the 1618 here. Okay? So for me, I'm going to, first and foremost, I'm going to mark out key levels. I wouldn't mark these out if I didn't have confluence at these levels. I would pull a different tool or a different level in order to find these confluences. So you can see here we have confluence. So we're going to mark out the high here. We're going to mark out the high here. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to mark out the 618, the 3, and then the 3618, okay? I'm going to mark out those levels. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to do the same exact thing at a different spot, okay? So I'm going to go from trend-based fib, swing low from here, to swing high here, to swing low here, okay? Let's see if we got confluence. 1618, the 2 is here. We have a rejection line here. Maybe that's in here, but I don't have it turned on. 1.14, nope. 1. Okay, it's not on there. So not as much confluence within this area here. Okay, so I'm going to pull this back down to this level here. Do I have confluence within here? No, I do not. Let's go down to this one here. Do I have confluence within here? I do. Okay, 1 to 1. 1618. I'm going to mark out my 618. So those are my golden pocket areas. So now I have some levels above me that I can look to possibly trade, okay? Also, you can pull a Fibonacci golden pocket or a Fibonacci extension from swing low, swing high to swing low right here. And you can look at these extension lines too and make sure they line up as well, okay? And that's definitely a different way of pulling these areas in order to find confluence within your trades to look for price discovery targets, okay? You want to find price discovery targets. In my opinion, this would be the best fib to pull, which would be from up here down to here, and this would give you big targets, okay? So 618, this would be, in my opinion, the next big target. Getting up to however many zeros, 1538. Okay, this one right in here. That's where I'd be looking for price to get to next. Okay, going into the short-term time frame on Pepe, looking at this absolute cannon to the upside. Okay, so moving quite nicely, flagging out very, very ugly scam wicks. Okay, so something to keep your eyes on in the near future. Yes, we have pushed up. Yes, we have all-time highs. but we know that this is a meme coin. Therefore, we need to practice very good risk management, lower your margin, use less leverage. Okay, my friends? I know it's hard. You see Pepe go to the moon, and all of a sudden you're like, I missed out. I want to trade this. Not a good idea. 1 hour. So bear flag or bull flag, sorry. Continuation here. For me, opportunity is where we look for the breakout and the retest. Okay, so breakout of this downtrend, retest continuation up to that area that we just talked about. Otherwise, we're tracking momentum like Kyle has shown me, and I'm sure he's shown a lot of you guys as well, where we can track this to the upside and look for continuation along this trend line here. So if we do return back down to it, we look for a bounce and continuation, looking to fire off a possible long, okay? This trend line where price action is right now, coming in at this number here. I'm not going to read it because I do not have the brain capacity to do so, okay? I'm pulling fixed range volume. You can see we also have a nice shelf of volume within here and within here, okay? So look for these levels to hold. Look for the breakout continuation. Don't fight the trend. Look for this continuation, okay? Obviously very affected by the ETH ETF, all these good things for the industry. Meme coins, a lot of people are playing those meme coins because it's the easy and softer way to gamble, okay, in my opinion. So if you want exposure to meme coins, make sure that you're using little to no leverage, small amounts of margin, and playing the long-term game, okay? I'm sure a lot of these, Dog with Hat, Pepe, Cocky New, Snack, all these meme coins will have their day, will have their pump. Will you be ready to sell? That's all I got to say. Is because it's going to happen quick and fast, right? So be prepared. Be prepared. A prepared trader is a profitable trader. Okay, so over to Big Daddy over here, Ethereum. Ethereum doing its thing, okay? It's doing its thing, flying off the handle. Pretty beautiful move for Ethereum, okay? It's anticipation right now. People are like, oh, 10K Ethereum with the ETF. Oh, blah, blah, blah. You know what? Sure. Great. It's going to help everybody. It's going to help altcoins. It's going to help adoption for all the other cryptocurrencies, right? ETH is number 2 in line. That's just basic, right? And I've been calling for the ETH ETF for August. So I don't know if we're going to get this one. I want you guys to let me know. I'm going to put a poll in the chat here. I want you guys to let me know here. What do you guys think? Do you guys think ETH ETF, okay, is it going to be approved or not? Okay, I just want to know. What do you guys think? Because I think, is there 2 P's in approved? Farmer's going to get mad at me. I like. I spelt it wrong on purpose. Because I know bad spelling drives Farmer crazy. Is it going to be approved? 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 Oh man, too good. Or is it going to be delayed, right? I have it here on my big chart, my Big Daddy chart. I can say Big Daddy now because I'm going to be a daddy. ETFs, August, right? August. August is when I was thinking, if we get them now, guys, this run, I'm thinking August. I'm still in Camp August. I'm in Camp August. I have been since back here. Since I've made this chart, which was over here. Okay? I think ETFs August, alongside with rate cuts and the U.S. election, this is going to be the big papa, okay, in my opinion. Stop by to say hi from Cancun. What's going on, Jeanette? Hope you're doing well. Cancun. I'm going on holiday next week, and I'm not going to tell you guys where. I'll send you guys photos. I'm sure you'll be able to guess once you see. So Pepe, looking for that continuation to the upside. Will we get it? We'll have to wait and find out. Okay? Let's go over to our next altcoin. That's going to be Ethereum. And where are we going now, right? Where are we going now? So simple push up, massive adoption. We have our key levels. Add these key levels to your charts. So if we do fall, right? If we do fall, you have key levels to buy at. I'm going to share it in the Discord. But right now, it's a simple flag out, right? We don't need to complicate this. We just need to know that there's been a couple attempts right now at the top to try and break out, okay? Has failed to do so far. Could it happen in the near future? Absolutely. Absolutely. This is bullish, okay? This news is bullish. It doesn't mean that we can't, I don't want to say to front run this, because for me, I'm not front running this. I grabbed a long off of this pump. Where did I grab a long from? Down here at 600-ish area. Okay, I grabbed a long. I got out. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if you do get a rollover and then a pump. Okay, like look at the markets today and how manipulated they were. Okay, so we look to trade the confirmed breakout of this downtrend. Otherwise, we look to roll over and come and grab liquidity down below. Now, where is the liquidity? Very simply, we can see if we want to turn on liquidations or if we want to turn on, it's all within these candles, baby. All within these candles here and down here, right? So for me, a little sweep before continuation would be ideal on Ethereum, okay? Mexico rocks. That's why I live here. Says Zep. Mexico. ¿Cómo estás, bitches? I love it, man. I love it. Oh, Mexico. Beautiful. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Mexico sounds good. So ETH, it's a waiting game. We're not gonna catch this move. Like as much as I want to say we're gonna catch it, man, we're Ash Ketchum. No. For me, we can set ourselves up for success. Maybe trying to grab the dip and then the retest, okay? Or trying to get the breakout retest and continuation, okay? It's gonna take some some balls of steel, okay? Some balls of steel on Ethereum. In the short-term time frame, looking good, working its way back up here, getting tight within this wedge, okay? So for me, consolidation, the more it consolidates, the bigger the pop, okay? So hopefully this thing coils up yet again, and then we can get maybe an opportunity to press buy somewhere around the bottom of this range. You can also pull a fixed range volume profile if you want to isolate price within this area. So you can see we do have that trend line coming in right here. So this is a potential buy area. If we do come down in here, you can see the volume coming in. You can also see that we do have our sell wall up top here, right? So for me, you've isolated price as best as we can. We want to buy at the green, right? I make them red and green to make it as basic bitch as possible. Trying to hold all of this within that area, right? Buy, sell, okay? Buy, sell. Because, I don't know, I've had people be like, you didn't tell me where to go and where to buy and all this stuff. And I'm like, first of all, this isn't a signals group. Second of all, it's a free Discord, so do your own research. Third of all, if I was responsible for your money, you could retire, but we're not going to go there because I'm not an a-hole. And second of all, you owe it to yourself to learn this stuff, man. If you're part of the gang, ask questions. Please, ask questions. I love to damn answer them for you guys. If you want to learn, ask the damn question. It's not stupid. I didn't even know how to put in a limit order when I started. I didn't even know how to draw a trend line when I started, okay? I used to use 125x leverage when I started, okay? We're here to grow together, learn to fish. Yes. Yes. Okay? Sometimes we get it right. Okay? Sometimes we get it right. Look at BitTensor. Ask Jeanette about the Ethereum call back in the day. Ask Jeanette about that Ethereum call. But guess what? She took the damn trade. She took the damn trade. Right? And she made bank. I know she did. The trade setup was given, but she took the damn trade and she made the damn money. I don't take credit for that, but I know she was winning. And I love seeing you guys winning. You guys know that. You guys know that. I love seeing you guys win. So Ethereum, flagging out 2 levels. Look to trade them. See if you get the confluences within your area, giving you guys that perfect setup, okay? Going over to ICP in the place to be, the insane clown posse. Oh, man. So, looking at ICP here. Uh-oh, we got Mr. FG in the house. My man. Are we just going to call you Groper? FG? Groper? Alex O'Crypto saying hello to Mr. Floppering Groper, my amigo. And yeah, someone said thanks a lot for the 30% discount code that you provided to everyone over the long weekend here in Canada, man. What's going on? My man, Flopper and Groper, Nick Cypher in the chat, man. Much love to you, bro. Dude, you got me wanting to do push-ups all of a sudden, bro. Much love to you, bro. Thank you, guys. And you guys know Market Cypher's family. We are part of the Market Cypher family. If you don't got it, get it. We always doing the Market Cypher technical analysis here. Crushing it as usual. And you guys put me on. Thank you guys for believing in me, man. It means a lot to me. And I will continue to represent and be loyal to the coil to you guys and continuing to crush it. We've been crushing it. FG, are you taking the AI trade today, bro? It's live, man. It's live. Nvidia earnings, just saying, it's gonna pump the shit out of BitTensor. That's just that's where we are. Hanging out. Much love to you. Thank you for dropping by. Let's go over and take a look at ICP. Cleo's, hey Alex, is my WLD trade safe? Use a stop loss and then you're safe. If you manage your risk, you'll be safe. But I can take a look at WLD maybe at the end of the stream. Thank you for being here. For looking, for supporting the channel. I'll try to get to it by the end of this show. Okay. That trade's gonna hit for show. King shit. Yeah, let's go, man. Let's go, man. No, I appreciate you guys, man. You guys are amazing people, man. You, Face, Geo, Casper, Randy. It's all amazing. So looking at ICP coming up to that point of control, we have our big red box and our big green box, right? So very simple, keeping it easy, right? You can see a very nice uptrend here going over to the Market Cypher analysis. The concerning part was the double top, okay? So we got the double top here, creating that unwanted bearish divergence, as we were talking about before. So this has definitely brought us down, right? Nonetheless, we have this beautiful uptrend continuation here, and we have VWAP starting to posture to the upside, okay? So uptrend, we're in that uptrend, as you can see here. You can even see it on your money flow here, that we are in this uptrend. And now we are making a higher low on our VWAP and curving to the upside, okay? This looks bullish in my opinion. I would like to see the stochastics hold the zero line here. Now, will we hold? That's for the markets to decide. What are we looking for on ICP is that continuation. Let's get right to the wick here. And that would be our golden pocket 786 area. So we go from here down and across to our 786. This is our buy zone, right? So if we zoom in here, you can simply see that we're looking for a continuation off of this box here. So that's our buy zone. So how do we isolate price and look at where we're looking to trade and where we need price to get above? So let's pull our fixed range volume profile here. And you can see that we do have quite a bit of support right here. And then we have a lot of resistance up here. So if we hold here and we start to push up, look for us to get above 1320 and hold. for a continuation back onwards and upwards. You can see how it chopped out here, and it has been quite choppy. So swing failure pattern, bullish divergence, continuation on market cipher, anchor trigger wave is what we're looking for within this box here. So we're within the kill zone, right? Now we look for those setups, right? We look for those setups, right? Getting everybody worried of this trickle down into our beautiful Fibonacci retracement continuation, right? So we look for the anchor trigger wave with money coming back into the markets, creating higher highs and higher lows. Maybe you don't want to get in here. Maybe you want to get in on the confirmed higher low. Okay, so that's what we want to be looking for on ICP. You got your levels, be ready to trade, and hopefully we can manage our risk well enough so that we make that moolah, okay? Looking decent on ICP all the way back up to the previous highs, okay? Looking good on ICP. Let's go over to EGLD. It's in the game. EGLD. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We got a NHL 98 vibes. That's the one with the cheating wraparound goal. Curtis Neal, tell me about it. NHL 98, you would skate down the side of the boards with the puck, go around the back of the net and hit shoot, and you would score every single time. It was such a hack. It was such a hack. Oh, man. EA Sports, it's in the game. Every time, man. Every single time. That was such a life hack. You want to talk about 90 kids life hack? That was the one, man. Too good. Too damn good. Okay, so we're going to mark this out. Just want to see where we're at in the sense of the market structure here. Not looking too good, okay? The thing that doesn't look good here is that we have fallen below these lows here. And we're literally like retesting bear market consolidation, right? So on EGLD, it's not really in the game, okay? It's really suffering right now. So how do we look to take advantage of this price action? Well, downwards trend line broke out, retesting, okay? It's fallen back into this wedge. So for me right now, this is looking hella bearish, where I would be literally looking to trade the lows. Okay, so I'd be looking for this area here for a swing failure pattern at this order block. That's where I would be looking at. Nothing else. Nothing else. Until we get a confirmed higher high. Okay, so push out, massive move. We got this downwards trend. But nonetheless, we have fallen back underneath the downwards trend line. So for me, consolidation around the point of control and sideways action, creating higher highs and higher lows. Then maybe we look for the retest of the previous highs, maybe something around here. Once we start making that, look for the retest and continuation. Otherwise, I'm looking for that swing failure pattern, liquidity grab to the upside, okay? Something like this is not looking juicy to trade. It's just, for me, something like this, if you believe in it and you think it's a good token, then buy it on spot. Okay, buy it on spot. Not financial advice, but it's a much safer play, especially with this choppy ass price action, where you can look to take advantage of maybe a spot buy and the continuation to the upside. Now, if you are looking to trade, maybe it's less leverage, more wiggle room to the downside on something like this, okay? I'd be very cautious with something like this. Let's go over to Maneki. Maneki is like mannequin? Maneki. let me know in the chat, guys. So there's something that we are struggling with right now, Amy and I, and that is we don't know the sex of our child. Okay, we don't know the sex. We might find out on our 28th week. We're currently on our 25th week. But we don't have any boys' names. Okay, we've gone through, we have like 6 girl names, no problem. Girl names, no problem. No problem. We need boy names. So if you guys have any ideas for a boy's name besides Jesse and besides Mark, you guys let me You guys let me know. You guys let me know because we're struggling, man. I'm not lying, man. We're struggling. We're struggling with the boys' names, man. So Maneki here looks like a bollock. Sammy, cup and handy to the downside. Okay, so you got a cup and handle here. Will it play out? Well, probably. Let's go, right? Let's go. Arnold Schwarzenegger. I think it's too soon for Adolf. I think it's still a little bit soon, okay? I think it's a bit soon, guys. Pepe? Hey, Pepe. A bollock. Bollock. It's a British term for, you know. So yeah, looking at Maneki. Big cup and handle. Big cup and handle, downwards trend line. Okay, here we are. Breaking out. Down, pushing to the limit, man. This is a 16% move. 7, just 7. What about 8? Treble. Jordan. I like Jordan. Gabriel's cool. That's like the fallen angel. Isn't that the devil? Damon like otter. Okay. I'm still liking Archer and Anakin. I do like A names because I'm Alex and that's Amy. So, you know, we want to be AAA rated, right? AAA rated. No, that's Lucifer, says TRD Farmer. What about the name Aurelius, like Marcus Aurelius, but just Aurelius, like Ori. I don't know. It's hard, man. I gotta call this little thing this name forever. And if Aaron, Adrian, August. I love you guys. So looking at this, it's very fresh, right? This is a do your own research, buy on spot token, in my opinion. Looking like a massive cup and handle. Do you know what else looks like a massive cup and handle? Bitcoin. Okay? You want to see the biggest cup and handle in the world? Bitcoin is it, man. Look at this damn thing. It's a big ass cup and handle. Okay, you get rid of my little lines here. This is a big ass cup and handle too, right? So I believe in Bitcoin more than I believe in Maneki, but nice cup and handle could be immense gains, right? Like if we measure the bottom of this cup to the top of the cup, that's a beautiful 2x, right? So Ahmed, okay. All J's in mind, Jesse, Joel, and Jordan. Ada. We'll name it Ada. No, we can't do that. Simba. Sunny. Bebop. Sunny Bebop. Oh man. Andrew, okay. Ashton, no. Dutch. We'll just name it Dutch, eh? Abdul, okay. Ahmed. Antoine. You guys are killing me. How about, so Maneki, cup and handle, look for the breakout. How about Ator? Because you guys are making me look at it. Hey, Ator, it's time to go to school, Ator. Fucking hell. Ator, put that down, please. Ator, are you dollar cost averaging, Ator? Ator, buy the dips, Ator, buy the dips. Oh, Emil. Oh no. Are we frozen again? No. No. Amy. Again. It's messed up again. Oh my God. Are we? Look at it. It's fucked. Is grandma on something or what? Can you ask her?
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got